Chanyu Leathers Artisans was started in 1940s by Mr. Chanyu himself. He's my grandfather, and we were predominantly manufacturers of exotic leather goods such as crocodile handbags, ostrich handbags, belts, wallets, etc. And our customers were mainly, walking customers, tourists. And in the 1980s, my father, Mr. Chan Siu-wen, the second generation, founded the repair business. We started to service repairs for the high-end luxury brands. We were doing the after-sale service for many of the repairs, focusing mainly on local customers' needs. And myself, as the third generation leader, we started to build on this foundation to build even stronger relationship and collaboration with all these fashion houses, thereby even servicing some of the overseas customers, repairs as far as Australia, New Zealand, Philippines, to be sent over to Singapore, where we actually do the repair work here before sending it back to the overseas branches. We endeavour to move overseas in the future to set up Chanyu presence in regional countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, and this is our plan moving forward to regionalize and eventually globalize. Whenever we interview young candidates, we often share with them that this is a journey that they would embark on with Chanyu Leathers being a heritage brand, but we are trying to transform ourselves to be modernized and to actually stretch our wings out of Singapore. So if they are able to take on the challenge to go to new places, to be deployed in overseas ventures that we are embarking on in regional countries, to set up new workshops of Chanyu at various locations, and they must be open to travel, to explore new cultures, new working environment, new way of how the technicians work in different countries, and to build a team with the similar core values that we have in Singapore, the same quality, and to be able to service the various local markets in these overseas countries. I had pretty high expectations when I first embarked on this project with SMU. Firstly, because hearing a lot about the quality of the students that actually come from SMU, all the positive feedbacks from many organizations about them, knowing that they are very resourceful at the same time professional. So we decided to do this project with these SMU students, and thankfully my expectations were met, or I would say over-exceeded. The team of students were very professional, even though they do have their daily workload from schools and examinations. They were very, they were still on ball with the project and ensuring that we continue to do the timelines in a proper manner. And we are able to identify all the key risks and strengths and weaknesses of the company. The students were able to give us practical solutions to target, where our problems are and what are some of the things that we need to embark on to improve the business. The suggestions that they've given to us, we have actually implemented some of the low-hanging fruits, such as to be more active in our social media front. We are able to post a lot more on our social media accounts such as Facebook, and that actually gives us a lot more customers' inquiries. The inquiries actually grew more than 50 to 60% after we have tweaked our posting. And suggestions such as improving on the quality of our photos. We are also trying to bring on a professional photographer to take better photos for some of our products and services, so that we are better able to showcase our quality, at the same time our ability to make good and lasting products for our customers. We look forward to even better collaboration with SMU, probably doing more projects in the future with students, and this would then bring our company to a greater heights in the future.